Professional students, I want to say a big good afternoon to you. So the exam is just some few days from now. So before I go on, my name remains Tayo Stephen. So I want to say that the exam remains just few days from now. Like I said in my previous podcast, if you are feeling anxious, it is normal. Remember that fear itself means that there are still some gap, there are still some things we need to do. So make sure that you concentrate on just question and answers now. This is not a time to start reading textbook and so on and so forth. All right, volume of textbook. This is a time to start seeing how many question can you answer, particularly for the last 2 or 3 diets. Can you solve everything that came out in the last 2 or 3 diet, including the last December diet, December 2020. Make sure you look at that question very well. Make sure you solved it very well for the level in which you are doing. All right. So the pre-scene has been released. We have also done the video. Sorry, not video. We have also done our own solution for the pre-scene. So please chat with me if you don't have it, or just go to the member area and log in, and then copy the files and put them inside your case study folder in your video lecture, and then it will automatically play. All right. The last thing I want to say is that remember that the exam comes up this week, tomorrow or so. Please make sure that you visit the exam venue before the day of the exam. This is very important. Don't let it be that you wake up tomorrow morning, you rush down to a particular venue, they say no, it's not that one, and then you are rushing back to another venue. It can be very stressful. Or you have never been to that place before, and you ask somebody where is a so location, and they point in one direction, and then you go as far as that direction, and then another person tell you that no, it's not there. You have to go back again. That can destabilize you. Please make sure you know the venue, or you know somebody that knows the venue that you will go along with. So if you are staying very far away, make sure you book an hotel near the venue. Don't ever travel several kilometers in the morning or traveling to that venue. Book an hotel nearby so that you can just wake up and stroll down to the center. It will be very, very helpful if you do it that way. So we here at Starry Gold Academy, we have you in our prayers. You have done all the best you can. So we are releasing you up to God, unto God, that God will crown your effort with success, that God will help you to bring to remembrance the things you have studied, that the time you need it, eh, the memory will come at that time. There are people that is when they leave the exam hall that they will start remembering the answer, right? That will not be your own portion. So it won't be your portion in Jesus' name. So my prayer for every one of us, every one of you that is going for this exam, is that you will not miss your way, that you will not be kidnapped, your vehicle will not break down, evil will not befall you in Jesus' name. I want to wish you all the best. So when the result comes out, we want to celebrate. Remember that as you go in tomorrow to do this exam, don't come out of the exam hall and be discussing the previous papers. Don't do that. The moment you have done your best, leave the rest for God. Start preparing for the next paper. And the moment you finish the exam, pack all the papers, put it aside until the result comes out, and just start praying. Just start praying that the marker, the head will be correct. The wife of the marker will not infuriate him the day they will mark your paper. Bad news will not come to them, so that they will just forget to do the right thing regarding your paper. These are areas that your prayers needs to cover. So I want to wish you all the best. All right. Stay safe and God bless.